Apple's iPhone series has always set the standard for smartphones, and the iPhone 17 is expected to continue that legacy with major improvements in performance, design, camera technology, and AI integration. Although Apple has not officially announced the device yet, strong industry leaks and Apple's upgrade pattern give us a clear idea of what to expect. Powerful next-gen processor, A19 chip. The iPhone 17 is expected to be powered by Apple's A19 processor, built on an even more advanced semiconductor process. This chip is designed to deliver faster performance for gaming and heavy apps, better energy efficiency, meaning longer battery life, stronger AI and machine learning capabilities. With the A19 chip, everyday tasks like scrolling, video editing, and multitasking will feel smoother, while demanding games will run at higher frame rates with less heat. Improved RAM and storage. Apple is rumored to increase RAM capacity, especially for the Pro models, which could come with 12 GB of RAM. This will greatly improve app switching without reloads, background processes, overall system speed. Storage options are also expected to start higher, possibly from 256 GB, giving users more space for photos, videos, and apps. Redesigned display and better refresh rate. The iPhone 17 lineup is expected to feature a more refined OLED display with higher brightness for outdoor use, improved color accuracy, promotion refresh rate up to 120 Hz across more models. Apple may also reduce bezels further, giving the phone a more immersive and modern look. Major camera upgrades. Apple is known for camera quality, and the iPhone 17 is expected to take things further. A more powerful 48MP main sensor with improved low-light performance. Enhanced night mode using AI processing. Better video stabilization for creators and vloggers. Possible upgrades to the front camera for sharper selfies and FaceTime calls. For content creators, the iPhone 17 could be one of the best smartphones for both photography and video recording. Battery life and charging. Thanks to the efficiency of the A19 chip, the iPhone 17 is expected to offer longer battery life compared to previous models, improved battery health over time, faster wired and wireless charging. Apple may also optimize iOS to reduce background battery drain, stronger AI and iOS integration. The iPhone 17 will run on the latest version of iOS, bringing deeper AI features such as smarter Siri responses, better photo and video editing suggestions, enhanced privacy protection, more personalized user experience. Apple's focus on on-device AI means faster performance without compromising user privacy. Build quality and design. The iPhone May 17th use. Stronger materials like refined aluminum or titanium. Better scratch resistance. Improved water and dust protection. The overall design is expected to be slimmer and more premium, maintaining Apple's clean and minimalist style. Final thoughts. The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be one of Apple's most powerful and intelligent smartphones yet. With its next-generation processor, improved camera system, smoother display, and advanced AI features, it is expected to appeal to gamers, content creators, and everyday users alike. If Apple delivers on these expectations, the iPhone 17 could once again redefine what a flagship smartphone should be.